So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated SMS using Jotform on new Jotform submission. Let's say you have created an online form using Jotform and you want that whenever you receive a new form submission in Jotform, you want to send an SMS notification to the same person who made the form submission. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, automatically we are going to send an SMS notification to the same person who made the form submission, who has entered their details in the form response. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the form which I have created using Jotform. It is just a simple feedback form using which I'm collecting the feedback from my customers. Now I want that whenever a user, a customer enter their feedback and make the form submission, I want to send an SMS notification, a thank you message using Jotform SMS to the same user, to the same customer as well. Now to do this, we have to connect Jotform with Jotform SMS, and we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as Jotform to Jotform SMS. And then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. And after that, here you can see the workflow is open over here. In this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our online form. Like for example, we are using Jotform, we are going to connect this Jotform with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, a new form response, automatically the details of this form submission will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And in the same form submission, we are asking the details of the customer as well, like their name, phone number and email. So we are going to get all of these details inside Pabbly Connect, and as we get the form submission in Pabbly Connect, the automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send these details to Jotform SMS. And using Jotform SMS, we are going to send SMS notification. Let's say, for example, I want to send a thank you message. We can send thank you SMS to the same person who made the form submission on their number. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window in Choose app, we are going to search for Jotform and just select it. After selecting Jotform and trigger event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Response. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect this form which we have created using Jotform with Pabbly Connect. And to add this webhook URL in Jotform, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to the form which you have created using Jotform. After coming to the form, here we have to go to the settings section, and under settings from the left sidebar, go to integrations. Now here at the integration page, we have to search for webhook. And here it is. Just select webhook over here. Then after that, it is asking us to add the webhook. So here we are going to enter the same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy the webhook URL from here and paste it over here. And after pasting the webhook URL, just click on Complete Integration. Now as we click on Complete Integration, here you can see the connection is successfully done. Now every time we are going to receive a new form submission in Jotform, automatically the details of that same form submission will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new form submission from Jotform. So let's do it. I'll just copy the link of this form from here, and then we are going to make a test form submission. Let's say we are giving a feedback as, for example, suggestion, and the feedback is, for example, we are setting up this automation. We are setting up this automation. Then let me enter the details of a dummy user. For example, the name of the person who is sharing the feedback, who is making the form submission is this. Then this is a dummy mobile number. This is the mobile number which the user is entering. So whatever mobile number the people are going to enter over here in this form submission, on the same number we will be sending the SMS using DovSoft SMS. Then after that it is asking us for the email, so I'll just enter a dummy email address over here. After entering these details, let's click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see we have received the form submission in Jotform. So because we have connected this Jotform with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same form submission. Here you can see the same name which we have entered, you can see the same email address, same feedback type which we have selected, and also the same mobile number. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. And here we have successfully received the form responses from Jotform inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send these details to DovSoft SMS so that we can send an SMS to the same person on the same number which we have received from form submission. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we will search for DovSoft SMS. Just select it. After selecting DovSoft SMS in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Send SMS. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our DovSoft SMS account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the username and key of our DovSoft account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this username and key. So for that, just log into your DovSoft account, and after logging in, we will just scroll down, and here under API you can see the details. Just select JSON over here, and after selecting JSON, here you can see the password and user ID. Just copy the user ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, we just have to copy the password given over here and then paste it to Pabbly Connect as well. And after entering these details, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our DovSoft SMS account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the SMS. That what is the message, what is the body of the SMS which we want to send. Let's say I want my message to be hello, and after hello, I want to mention the name of the person who made the form submission, from whom we have received the form submission in Jotform. So from Jotform responses, we have received the response of the first name of the person who made the form submission, who has shared the feedback with us. From trigger step responses of Jotform, we are going to map this response of first name to this DovSoft SMS action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of SMS, and after hello, here in this drop down you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Jotform of a new form submission. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever first name the user is going to enter while making the form submission, and we are going to enter the same name after hello in the SMS which we are sending. Then I want my SMS to be okay, so this is the kind of SMS I want to send. After hello, I want to mention the first name of the person who sent the message. Then I want my message to be thank you for sharing your valuable feedback. Your insights are invaluable to us and will help us improve our service. We truly appreciate your input. Have a great day. So this is just a simple SMS which I want to send. Instead of this, you can basically create any SMS body of your choice which you want to send to your users. After creating the SMS body, it is asking us for the mobile number. That what is the mobile number of the user, of the customer to whom we want to send the message. So we have received the mobile number of the user from Jotform responses. So from here, from trigger step responses, we are going to map this response of phone number in this DovSoft SMS action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field, and here from the drop down from Jotform responses, select the response of user's mobile number and it will be mapped. After mapping the mobile number, it is asking us sender ID, client SMS ID, and account usage type. So here, if you are having a DLT verification for your numbers in DovSoft SMS, you have to enter the sender's ID. Like if you are having multiple sender's ID, then you have to select using which particular sender ID you want to send the SMS. And here you have to enter the client SMS ID too. Then it is asking us account usage type. So what type of SMS you are sending? Is it a transactional SMS, promotional, international, OTP, RCS, or WhatsApp? So because right now I'm sending a transactional SMS, so I'm going to select this particular option. Then it is asking us entity ID and template ID. So if you have already created a template for the SMS which you want to send, you can directly enter the template ID over here. But right now, all of these fields are not mandatory, not required, so we can just ignore these fields for now and click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the SMS body which we have created over here, this SMS is sent on this number, the same number which we have received from Jotform as the response of form submission. So let's check it. We will check the SMS inbox of this number. And yes, here you can see just now we have received an SMS which says, "Hello demo. Thank you for sharing your valuable feedback. Your insights are invaluable to us and will help us improve our service. We truly appreciate your input. Have a great day." So this is the exact same message, exact same SMS which we have created inside Pabbly Connect in the DevSoft Actions tab. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, a new form response in Jotform, automatically we are going to send an SMS to the same user who made the form submission. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation once. We'll go back to the form which we have created using Jotform. We will just refresh it. And after that, we are going to make another form submission. Let's say the feedback type is comment. The description of the feedback is, for example, we are testing this automation. Just a dummy feedback which I'm entering. The name of the person who is making the form submission is test user. This is the mobile number on which we are going to send the SMS. And this is the email over here. And after entering these details, just click on submit. Now as we click on submit, here you can see the form submission is done. Just now we have received a new form response using Jotform. And because we have created this automation, we will see automatically within seconds, the SMS will be sent using DevSoft SMS to the same user's number. And yes, here you can see we have successfully received the SMS notification on the number. And we have the exact same message which we have created in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after hello, we have the name of the same person, hello test. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, we have tested this automation and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.